In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pre-purchase Hytale in a few steps. So by pre-purchasing this game, you will be ready for the early access. As you can see, this is launching in just 6 days. And you can also reserve your Hytale username. So the process is very simple. All you need to do is go to hytale.com and create your account if you don't have it already. So then go to pre-purchase right here and click it. Now you will see different editions available right now. So you have the cheapest option and the most expensive one, which if you scroll down, you can see the features that include. So of course, the more you pay, the more things you will get. So in my case, I'm going to pre-purchase the standard edition. So just click the button right here. Then you can read all this information and click on I understand. Now here you can put a creator code if you want, and just use the payment method you want to use. So there are a lot of different payment methods available. You can even use crypto, you can use Cash App, Google Pay, PayPal, credit card, and more. So just fill in your information. And after you have paid for it, you should see something like this. So firstly, you can reserve your username. This is the default username that the game has assigned me, but I can put in a new username. So if you don't want to do it now, you can close this window, and now you have your game profile right here. So as you can see, this is the edition, the date of purchase of the game, and here you can change your username whenever you want. And then in 6 days, you should have the option to download the game directly from here. So that's it. That's how you can pre-purchase Hytale. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.